Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Tosin here. In this video today, I'm going to be doing a full face makeup using only kids product. And although I couldn't find my foundation shade, I think that was like the only thing that I don't have. My foundation shade was pretty much like the only thing that I had problem finding, but I happened to grab some concealer, some brow brushes, and a really cute eyeshadow palette that comes with brush set and also comes with like really fun colors right here. I also have this palette right here that comes with like highlighters and blushes and other fun things that I'm going to show you guys today. So let's go ahead and get started. I cannot tell you how excited I am to actually create a look like this, and I know a lot of kids are like trying to like find out about makeup and things, so I'm going to pretty much break everything down for you guys. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Keep on watching. This is the foundation I got, and it's from Claire's. This is the darkest shade that I happened to grab from them, but this is 3-in-1. Also, you can use this as a concealer, foundation, and a powder. I think I'm going to use this to set my under eye. This will be good for my under eye. So since I couldn't find any foundation, I'm going to use my drugstore foundation. It's super affordable, so you guys can also get that, because I know a lot of kids, also like teenagers, they actually go to drugstores now to get like makeup and stuff. So I'm going to use my drugstore makeup that I got. And the first thing I'm going to be using is the Rimmel Insta Flawless Skin Tint, and you can also use this as a primer. It gives like a nice glow on your skin. I'm just gonna rub that on my face all over just to get that nice glowy skin going. I'm just rubbing that on, making sure it blends in very nicely. And the foundation I'll be using today is the Revlon Photo Ready Airbrush. It's really affordable, but you can get this from pretty much any drugstore. And I really got this really cool buffing brush from Claire's, and it's from Icing. So I'm just going to use that to apply the foundation all over my face. Up next, I'm going to be using this concealer that I got from Claire's, and the formula feels really nice. So I'm just applying that on my dark areas, like underneath my eyes, just around my upper lip, just to pretty much highlight my face, and just a bit on my nose to give me like that nice definition that I'm looking for. Then I'm going to go in with the same brush I use and just buff that in. So once I'm done with applying that, so now we're going to go ahead and set my concealer, and I'll be using the 3-in-1 powder that I got. It's also a concealer and the foundation, and it's a powder. So I'm going to use that to set my under eye. Then I'm just setting the rest of my face where I applied my concealer. And I can also actually use it to set my face, just very lightly. It's not too bad. And I can just brush that off. Not too light. I thought it was going to be like really light on my face, but it's not too bad. Now I'm going to use the brush and just brush it off. So now that I'm done with my face, I'm going to go ahead and use the brow pencil that I got from Claire's. This is a really cool brow pencil. It comes with a gel on one side and the pencil on one side. So I'm going to go ahead and test that out right now. And I'm going to use the other side to help me set my brows very lightly. Just lightly brush that onto your brows. And I'm just going to go ahead and clean up my brows. I'm using the same concealer that I used earlier. So I'm taking my 6 Plus brush and just blending that in a bit more. So now once I'm done with my brows, I'm going to go ahead and start my eyes. And then I'm going to be applying some of that concealer right on my eyelid so I don't get any crease or anything like that. So I'm just going to lightly tap that on. I'm going to take in this blue color right here and I'm going to be applying that right on my crease. I'm going to start off with that and then just work my way up very lightly. Then I'm going to go in with this dark purple right here. I'm gonna give it like that nice smoky kind of look. I'm just slightly blending that up a bit more. So just bringing it in more a bit. It's like a nice shimmer color. Then I'm going to go in with like a very soft purple right here. This one, this purple, I'm gonna apply that all over my lid. So up next, I'm going to take this glitter right here and apply just a little bit right on my lid. Let's just jump right into my under eye. These colors right here, this orange, I'm gonna mix them and just add them right on my eyes. I'm going to use this green pencil that I got from MUA. Just apply down the waterline. And then I'm just gonna go back in this palette right here and I'm going to be using this green and just smoke out that line a bit more. I cannot find liner, so I'm using this NYX liner. It's super affordable. I think it's only like $6. I'm just gonna draw like a wing line. I'm going to go ahead and apply some mascara, and I'll be using the Barry mascara. That's how I roll. And up next, I'll be applying these lashes that I got from Claire's. They're really cute and they're very fluffy. And I'm going to apply these on my eyes. So now that I have my lashes on, I'm going to go ahead and finish up the rest of my face. I'm going to use this dark eyeshadow right here, and I'm just going to use that as my contour very lightly. I don't know about that, but it's not so bad. Make it work. For my blush, I'll be using these two colors together, giving like a nice rosy cheeks. And now we're going to move into my highlighter. And before I do that, I'm going to set my face with the Collection Prime and Ready Setting Spray. And this is another drugstore affordable spray that you can get. And for my highlighter, I'll be going in with this nice soft pink color right here. And I'm using my Real Technique fan brush. So just lightly applying that right on my cheekbones. Okay, Claire's. So pretty. Ooh, did you see that glow? Claire's got all the kids popping. So definitely a really highlighter. Ooh. Skin. I'm just gonna apply some of that right on my nose. Right there. And my high point of my, just a little bit. A little bit just to bring out my forehead a bit. And then on my cupid's bow, just gonna go in with my fingers and just blend it a bit more. And now for my lips, I will be using this palette, and I'll be using this pink color right here. And I'm going to put this right on top. So once I've applied that, I'm going to go ahead and apply this glitter gloss right over it. There, so I'm going to be using this eyeshadow from Claire's. I'm going to apply that right in my inner corner and on my brow bone. And lastly, I'm going to set my face with the Collection spray. So guys, there you have it. I hope you do enjoy this video. I had so much fun creating this look, and I pretty much love everything I used for this video. I love the way it turned out. My eyeshadows look like the eyeshadow look really nice and very pigmented, which I love. And I hope you guys do enjoy this video. If you do like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and kindly subscribe to my channel down below. Thanks guys for watching. Bye.